This type of filter accessory goes underneath the lens of the enlarger. Now on this enlarger, we could put filters up and top here in the chamber, or we could take this and screw it underneath the lens. Now some enlargers out there only have this option, so it's important that you sort of know how to use it. You just take your filter and you put it in the holder and you slide it underneath the lens. Very important that you make sure you slide it correctly, because there's nothing worse than making a print where you see half of your filter holder on the print. So I always make sure that that is there properly and that it is in place perfect when I'm making my exposure. One thing I like to do sort of with these too is just sort of, I get a little bit of tape and I tape them down so they don't knock out while I'm raising and lowering my enlarger. There's really no difference between what these filters do and the other kinds of filters do in terms of they still control contrast. Very important thing in printing.